You are manipulate people. You're a user. You are use the TikTok of them. You use them to stop people. You are trying to control the whole life. You notice as the TikTok of them get at you, zooming in upon them because you want control. You want control, and the reason why you send people go kick down TJ because you couldn't control him. So you want control him in a one different way because you never most of them are record it. So you did want to have that a bubble under the surface. You did want that to have it. You did want that to bubble under the surface to put fear in the TikTok of them head. So you are done. Because you want to be the don and you want to be the boss and you want people for free that you use your money and manipulate people. But not everybody you can buy out. And then some of them so fool because guess what you do now? Me hear TJ open him out and say him cover your office, come buy one lion. No, him cover your office and you tell him say if you send one lion, come give you. So the TikTok of them never think oh you are use the whole of them and I spin them pan a circle and I take for them lion and I give back to one lion and them have it say oh the boss send me a lion. So you tell TJ say if you send a lion come give you. And you recycle the lion. So basically then, let me break it down. You take a lion from TJ and send it go give Swissley and tell Swissley to send your lion and take Swissley lion and send it go give Jaden. Because if it is me, them never go keep silent. They would have called up the 300 girl and tell them all kind of things to come talk against me. Because that's something I want to do for years. So if you just join the live, me I send out a message to fear of dancehall. Stop use the people them. Stop manipulate them. Stop use what God have blessed you with to bad mind and use it against others. Before the life cut off, me talk about the lion them where you recycle and go on like say, you give nobody nothing. You take one lion from one TikToker and take the same lion, send it go give one next TikToker, all for them call you done. And the people them will see the things them and quiet and silence about it because the man can go to 100 US and want to look at 500 US. Oh no, are the problem. Oh no, are the problem. I don't want to continue this live without, but Moya is a hero. Modern day hero. I don't know if she get my message, but when the incident, I'm going to send her a DM on TikTok. Immediately when me see it because I tell her, say it hurt my soul. It hurt my soul. And a long time, Romeich do things like this. The only difference is that he was caught this one time. So if he was caught this one time, you can imagine how many other times he has been doing stuff like this to people. Manipulation. And somebody have to sit down and talk to him. If him understand, say, you say God, I want God. After time, we see people do things, you know. And we think them act like, say, there's multiple gods. There's one God. One God that sit high and look low. One God that never sleep. So meanwhile, you do things behind closed door, and the people might not know. Remember, God sees. So when the man them gang him, he run to Romeich. Because you have to understand, say, the video never come out yet. The video with the incident, it never come out yet. So little did TJ know, said the person where him a run to, say, yo, one, him see him one, instigate and conspire and send the man them to beat him. You know how sad that is? Me see some people that take the situation light. You know, listen to. Go back and listen to the things them. TJ say when the man them gang him and beat him out the door. Cause remember, you know me talk already say him could have dead. You know now realize say them could have kicked the man in him head and him dead. And we now realize say if the video never come out, we wouldn't know say a Romeich instigated. So the funeral would have keep a Romeich that they at the front. Who to tell him wouldn't be one of the man who carry the casket. That's why I say wickedness cannot done. feel it in my heart when you hear the youth say, after the man then beat him run to Romeich. Because remember, I never hear the voice note yet, you know. I not hear the video will come out. I not hear say Romeich tell them to beat him. My heart. And when. So, and never know. Monetary things, monetary values are what? Because you can't rich in spirit and rich in soul. And you claim to be so rich, but yet still, you always fight out people. That means you're not happy within. You don't have no richness within your soul, your spirituality, your mentality. You always just live to fight out somebody else. I'm telling you all the while, you know, you say sin spell one way. And you can't stop one man food and feed one next man. Remember, say, you still stop a man food. So we could talk about it. Romeich, I saw your apology. And in your apology, it was more so about, oh, protect my family. Leave my family out of it. Leave your mother out of it and leave your sister out of it. But you know, remember, say, Moya has somebody, daughter, and Moya have a mother and her mother see the video. So you come out and I say, oh, leave my woman out of it. Leave my mother out of it, but you will never leave Moya out of it. Yes, when me see the video when the man thumped down Moya and he come, it grieved me soul. I never explained to you why it also grieved me, you know. Because something like that happened to me, you know. But it's not about me tonight. We will get there. There was so much other people that was around when the incident happened. And Jamaica is so immune to violence against women. So them act like say, they never see it. When we watch the video, you know, me see some man where they dead there. And none of them never cringe or feel away or attack. The man where thump down Moya, everybody does that act like it normal. That's why I watch it and me if I watch it over and over and over again. Please stop sending me requests. Me not go live with nobody. You want to stop distract me. Cause remember say me already not used to that something here. You can turn off. Yeah. Me I talk about the man them where sit back and watch and allow the incident to happen. Me I talk about how it never turned into one brawl where the man them were on the scene. We see when the man thumped down Moya, oh they never come to our defense. We say yo, I fuck with this and what is. Everybody just a walk normal and act like say them immune to violence against women. Now I'm going to explain something to you, and this is one big problem what happened in Jamaica. You see the incident what happened, a lot of people may take it light because somehow they did a laugh about it and somehow they did act like on a hush and on a tight lip about it because of 100 US and 500 US. But I'm going to tell you how deep I look into the situation. When Romeich get order to go box down TJ, and you want to sit down and realize that to this day we could have been mourning the loss of someone, say somebody could have dead. Never tell you how deep me looking at it. You see when me see the man jump and kick TJ in him head. Remember one kick him could have dead. Remember him could have dropped on the asphalt near to where him dropped. Remember me watch the video and I watch it over and over. That's why I could have tell you say when them top down Moya and man did dead. And the man never take it up on them head. So how is it that now Jamaica is so immune to that type of violence there? But let me explain something. When TJ dropped on the asphalt they saw and them kicking him in my head, you know say that one kick on him could have dead? How about me put it another way? When we say Moya a defend herself, how about as women sometimes when we go, I don't know about Uno, but I always have a little knife in my bag or a little something to me defense. Look pepper spray, any little thing could have gone. How about when the man did a fight of Moya, she take her something and give one stab and him dead. And then Uno that lock up Moya and say Moya to go to prison and then all of Moya life gone down the drain. Because of your command. And you come back and say sorry and feel like you put a band-aid over it and everything for us hush. You see, sometimes when we do things, we don't think about the severity of nobody else. And this is how Romeich is. I'm going to explain to you Romeich because when you listen to this, you know, because you come to the defense of your family. In our situation like this, where you could have taken somebody's life, you come to the defense of your family, but you don't realize that everybody are family. The one that we have family, the one that we have family to feed. You see the same thing we do to TJ, you might act it out physical, but a long time you fight against people. So that's why I want to know what kind of riches you have. Because you don't rich in your mind, you're not rich in your thoughts, you're not rich in your spirit. Me not understand how you have achieved so much, how God has blessed you with so much, but still you want to stop a next man food. You see, same way like how you are fight against, you said them go fight against TJ physical. Remember say years you do the same thing to me and fight me out. And the same way like how you talk about your family, remember me have a son too, and remember me is a mother. So the same way like how your family need to eat and your son want to eat, you must remember say somebody else's son want to eat too. So you take my foolish advice. This is one first warning from God, and there's many more to come. Because you're not really apologizing, you know. A lot of people don't know the difference between apology and damage control. You're basically a marketing genius, like myself, yeah, sometimes, but you're just a marketing genius. So it's not an apology you give out, you just have the damage control, but some people are just blindsided to the fact. But you know why me I talk about it? Because if you did me, you never did ever keep silent. You know when I remember vividly the first time when Obia man come tell like me and say, oh me Obia people, you was the first one run go buy a bottle of rum.